Welcome to AFT8, Session Breakout Workspace number 1. Open the workspace from the Control Center. The charts will load historical data. AFT Session Breakout Workspace number 1 is for manual trade entry and automatic trade management. The Market Analyzer contains the Trade Manager module. The Trade Manager Controller provides real-time interaction and control of stops, targets and exits, basic and advanced trade management features. Any trades taken will be monitored and managed in real time. An adaptive fault-tolerant trade manager engine allows the system to continue after disconnects or restarts. In this demonstration, orders are cancelled, NinjaTrader is terminated and restarted. The workspace's load, data and order routing is connected. Historical data is loaded and order history by NinjaTrader on connection. The Trade Manager is ready and waiting, it places the missing orders and makes the position safe. AFT Trade Manager will adapt to the user's actions in real time and make the correct choice to avoid overfills, underfills, stuck orders and connection errors, making safe the balance of positions and exits. AFT Trade Manager, basic and advanced controls should be learned when using the workspace number 1. New trades can be entered. The Trade Manager is watching and waiting.